Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you Stardew Valley mods you need to try. Number 1. UI Info Suite 2 Alternative. This is the updated version of the classic mod. It adds crop timers, NPC locations, birthdays and daily info, and it basically removes the need to check the wiki. It's a huge quality of life upgrade. Number 2 is Merchant, Become a Shopkeeper. This lets you open up your own shop in Pelican Town. You're able to sell your own items, decorate your shop, and villagers can buy and haggle prices. Number 3. Tilly, Custom NPC. This is a new character added to the town. It features full dialogue and events, a backstory, and a marriage option. This is a great one if you want to spice things up. Number 4 is Quaint Living. Basically, it has cozy building retextures and it adds seasonal farmhouses. It adds a greenhouse, silo, shopping bin redesigns, and has a soft storybook aesthetic. Number 5. Warm stalls and cozy boxes. This improves barns and coops. It adds animal stalls, sleeping spaces, better hay visuals, and it makes animals feel way more realistic. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.